Hello everyone. Today, in this tutorial, I'll guide you to how to integrate PayPal with Ontraport. To begin, sign up for an account on the Ontraport website by using the link in the description box. Let's get started. Integrating PayPal with Ontraport in 2024 facilitates payment processing within your Ontraport account, streamlining the acceptance of payments for your products or services. Begin by logging into your Ontraport account and navigating to the Settings Administration section. From there, click the Localization section to configure settings such as default currency and payment currency options. Now go back to the dashboard and select Sales Settings. Here, access the Payment Gateways option and select PayPal as your preferred payment gateway. Follow the prompts to connect your PayPal account to Ontraport. Link your products or services to the payment forms. Before going live, test transactions using PayPal's test payment details to ensure everything functions correctly. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description to access the platform. Thank you for watching.